In this video, I want to share with you the top 5 websites where you can download free stock photos that you can download very easily, and you can that are free of copyright, stock free images, free of any kind of issues. You can use, you can reuse, you can share with your friends and family, and you can use it even for commercial purpose without any kickback or anything. The first on the list is Pixabay. You can get to Pixabay by just coming to your browser and type in pixabay.com, and it will bring you over here. You see a bunch of images that are free stock. Okay, you can search accordingly. You can check around stunning free images and royalty free stock. Okay, over 2.5 million high quality stock images, videos and music shared by our talented community. So you can just search for anything. For example, you can say animals, and you can see them coming up. You can see different kind of animals. You can check around depending on which one you like. For example, assuming I like this, you can just click on it and you can come over here and say download, and you can specify the resolution from here. If you want lower resolution, you can see the corresponding sizes from here. If you want higher resolution, you can see the corresponding size. So let's say we go for the smaller one and we just click on download, and you can see it just downloaded over here. You can see a sample of it, and that's it. So this is the first website. The second website is bossshopify.com. You can just, I'll put this link also in the description, bossshopify.com. As you come to your browser and search for it, boss.shopify.com, to bring you over here. Free stock photos for websites and commercial use. Download free high resolution images from here. Okay, so you can check on the categories, popular categories: fall, background, yoga, coffee, food, nature and business. Okay, you can check also based on new photos, different kind of collections. You can see based on animals, cities, homes, seasons, and you can check out resources over here if you want. Or you can just search according to your content. Search for the free photos. Assuming you want to search something like computers, and you can see the different kind of computers, different parts of a computer and people using the computer over here, and you can see a single one. So assuming I like something like this, and you just click, and you can see you can come over here. Do you need high resolution or low resolution? Let's say we go for low resolution, and you just click on download. No need to provide anything. You just close this. You can check out the download from here. It has just downloaded it. So this is the second website. The third on my list is Pexels. Pexels is quite popular with free images, the best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos shared by creators. Okay, these are free images and videos that are shared by content creators. So you can just search from here, or you can search based on the suggested categories. You can see discover, you can see videos, and you can see many more. So depending on what kind of message or what kind of content that you want, you can search from here, or you can check around to see the free stock photos. But you can come over here and just search. Okay, you can see trending topics. You can just search world map. You can search and see this is world map, and you can just pick anyone from there and try to download. So assuming I like this, you can just click on it to open. You can come all the way to the download, come to this small drop down, and you can see the different sizing. Are you going for original, which is the largest size, or you can go for a custom size as well, or you can go for small size. So let's say we are going for small size, and just click on download to download, and you can see it over here. It has just downloaded. You can just click and you can see the sample. So this is the third website. The fourth on the line is Onsplash.com. Okay, Onsplash is also quite popular for high resolution photos, the internet source of freely usable images powered by creators everywhere around the world. So you can check based on trending. Once you come to Onsplash.com, you can check based on trending topics, and you can check around to find any topic according to any photo according to your message. Okay, if you want someone who is thinking, or maybe someone who is reminiscing or recalling things, you can go for something like this, or you can just come over and search from here, from anything. You can just search. These are trending topics, current events, experimental, film, art and culture, businesses, Indian flag. So like right now I can search for, let's say, Nigerian flag or something like that. Okay, so you can see the results over here. Nigerian flag, you can check on anyone according to your liking. Assuming I want this one, you can just click on it, and you can just come over to the drop down and you can go for the size in small or original size, which is the largest. So you go for small, for example, at this point, and you can see it downloaded over here. You just click to open and you can see the image. So feel free to try it. The fifth on the list is freerangestock.com. Once you get to your browser and type it, it's going to bring you over here. Free range. Okay, great photos, totally free. You can search from here. You can check out trending photos, featured images on business. You can see quite a lot of them, and they are quite free, usable and reusable. Okay, you can just search. You can select anyone. Assuming I select this one, and once you specify whether it's block size, or you can send the pixeler to pixeler to edit this. You can send it to pixeler directly, and you can work online to edit this photo. Once you specify the sizing, maybe let's say we're going for small size, just click on login to download. So this one, it just requires you to log in. Okay, once you log in, you can be able to download the photos very easily and free of charge. So feel free to try it. Feel free to explore these free websites to download your content, your images. I'll put the entire link in the description. Feel free to just give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.